Hi everybody, I'm so excited to be here with you today to talk about some of the work that I do for FranklinCovey. As a consultant for the company, I have the privilege of facilitating amazing content like 7 Habits of Highly Effective People and Unconscious Bias. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. As a global enterprise, I have the ability to teach and coach this material in both Spanish and English, making it accessible all over the world. I meet amazing leaders at all levels of their organizations where they ask me to help them challenge some of their common paradigms. When I help them challenge these paradigms, they move on to areas of higher level impact that allows them to be even greater than they already are. Doesn't everyone want to be more effective in everything they do? From unconscious bias to their leadership skills to even how they manage their time. Listen, nothing that I do with my clients is easy. It takes patience, it takes grace, and you have to really understand that it's a journey. I meet people and organizations where they are, and I help provide them with the tools that they need to get to the finish line. I share my own story in hopes that it will inspire and motivate others to do the same. It takes a lot of courage to share your story, but it's one of the best ways to open hearts and minds. Let me work with you on developing your greatness. And remember, se habla español. Check out my website at RosannSantos.com. I can't wait to meet you and talk to you more about helping you become a more impactful leader or a more impactful team.